Hey folks, John Newman, Sports Card Nation. Want to thank our friends over at Panini. They sent us a few boxes to review. This is one of them, the 2021-22 Origins Basketball. One pack in here, 7 cards. 2 will be either autograph or mem card. Always remembered, hobbies of people, but for anyone that wants to freeze that screen and blow it up, there are the odds. I have yet to open any of this yet, so this will be the debut of this for me. 90 card base set, and if you know anything about Origins, very colorful cards. I like them. I usually open a lot of the football variety, but I'm going to crack a basketball one here. So like I said, it's going to be a one pack box with 2 hits in it, if you will. This slides out from the bottom, I believe. Yep, there you go. There's the pack. Close the box. All right, here we go. I don't know if they put the hits in the back, the middle, so we'll kind of, I'll try to slow play them, especially being one pack. Let's not even look at the back. All right, so we'll do this. I think we got it now. Brandon Boston Jr., rookie. There's a Damian Lillard, numbered to 99, 4 of 99. Kristaps Porzingis. Isaiah Livers, rookie. You got a Steph Curry. All right, so we got a Jaylen Brown. I think this is going to be a mem card. Yep. Jaylen Brown, mem card. And an auto of Moses Moody. On card, so that's cool. On card auto to 99. So, short video, but let's do a quick review. Moses Moody on card auto to 99. Jaylen Brown jersey. Curry, Livers rookie. Porzingis, Lillard to 99. And Brandon Boston Jr. rookie. Awesome cards. I love the Origins line. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Look for other reviews as well.